elegant, brand new, modern two-story house dito sa BF Resort Village, Las Piñas. Pasukin natin. Meron kang malaking two-car garage or two-vehicle carport na may lot area na 204 square meters. Ang floor area nito nasa 328 square meters. May front garden pa. Ito yung garden mo. Tapos ang nice ng iyong porch. Ganda ng design dito. Pasok tayo. Napaka-grande naman ng double height ceiling. At very emphatic itong wall na to. This is the living area and this is your dining area. Kasya dito 6-seater dining set. Meron ka pang patio. May progress ka dyan. Ground floor bedroom. May sariling bathroom. At ang ganda ng kitchen, ha? Look at this design. Kumpleto na yung mga kitchen appliances mo. Meron ka pang double door refrigerator dito. Nice din. Kaya panoorin mo na yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Nandun yung price and full details. Thank you. Bye!